Hey Amazon, welcome back to the campground. Today we're checking out Tucker's new pet bed by Veehoo. So Tucker likes to spend a lot of time outside in the yard, and we wanted to get him something that was a little bit raised off the ground, just in case the ground was muddy or it was a hot day and he wanted to get a little bit of cool air running underneath him. So we found this pet bed by Veehoo. It comes in 4 sizes and multiple colors. It's got a metal frame and locks into place very quickly. The frame itself came in about 8 pieces, and it took about 5 minutes to put the entire thing together. Something nice about the bed frame is that it is raised on the side, so it kind of has like a hammock style feel, so that your pet can have a little bit of backing if they want that. The bed itself does have a little give to it, but nothing that's concerning outside of any of the ratings for the 4 associated sizes. One thing to be aware of, this does not have a center bar. Some pet beds have a center bar, which helps with the distribution of weight for your pup. We found with this bed that's not really needed. In fact, Tucker actually likes that it gives a little bit more, it kind of cradles him. So you're wondering, how do I know Tucker likes it a little bit more when he can't talk to me? Well, we know because he actually uses this bed. His previous bed, he never really used it. He lay all around it, but never on it. And really the only difference is the fact that this one cradles him a little bit more, while the other one was very stiff. But what everybody's always wondering is, would we buy it again, or would we recommend it to you? Absolutely. Now that we found a bed that Tucker likes, we would buy this bed again in a heartbeat. It's actually really well made. It's lightweight. The fabric itself is kind of like a heavy-duty burlap, but very soft, so it allows water to run through if you keep it outside. The fact that the metal frame has some rubber feeding around it prevent any damage to your floors if you keep it inside. It's just an all-around great bed. A bed like this is perfect for any pup owner. As always, Amazon, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.